Well, hello everybody. This is another installment of my YouTube series that everybody knows and loves and appreciates. But anyway, you know that old adage, saving it for a rainy day? Well, this happens to be one of them. And today, it's just more like an act of nature than it is an event or something of that like. But today, we just heard some lightning, and we know it's raining. Oh! So we're saving it for a rainy day. We're going to try to not get the camera wet as much, but we're going to try to shoot a good video. And, well, seeing as though we don't have to water the crops today, we just having one of those rainy days. So, woo! Gosh! Oh, it's going to be kind of hard to do and try to keep the camera safe. So, we're going to try to wrap it up a little bit and make sure it don't get too terribly harmed. This may or may not work. But we're going to try to footage outside not get our camera messed up. So sorry about the bag. It's a necessary thing that we have to do to ensure that the camera doesn't get ruined. Oh, we wouldn't even want our cigarette to get ruined. It is what it is, so here we are on a rainy day, and our crops really don't need the sprinkling that I usually give them, because we got enough of it, and it's really coming down. This feels like a rainy day. So, on that note, I feel like a weather forecaster, and that, well, hopefully we don't get rained away, and we're going to have to take a rain check. So, on that note, we'll talk to you later. Woo. Whoa, we narrowly avoided disaster there. But anyway. Hey! Thunder and lightning! A rainy day! Well, wow. No doubt, it's, whoa, there went my cigarette. Have to do some drying off there, because, wow, jeez. So we try this some more? Yeah, let's try it a little bit more. Enough to try to keep our camera from getting wet. Yeah. Oh, let's call it a rainy day. I will have to pay a rain check on that one. So, maybe we could get some kind of footage from out here. That's kind of dangerous. Nah, that's just not gonna work. Just got to save it for a rainy day. Look how much rain we're getting right now. We can't even hardly see in front of us. Alright, this is a thunderstorm, alright. And this is us out in it. Well, not quite. We're not going to ruin any more cigarettes or nothing. But we're not going to ruin our camera either. Because how else am I going to bring my vision to the masses? You know how Albert Einstein allegedly tied a key to a kite and flew it during a thunderstorm? Well, that was how they discovered electricity. But come to find out, that's, you know, probably not the case. There's probably other stories. Woo! Thunder and lightning. Woo! Wow. Whoa! There went the lights. There went the lights. We kind of knew that would kind of happen. There, they come back on. Anyway, just this one didn't develop too much skill to try to plot and plan out, but it just simply rained. I'm glad I'll put up the windows on the truck. See the truck from here? I don't know, it's barely visible, but it's out there. But wow, it's we're gonna have to put a rain check on filming outside today, because here today on this Labor Day we got a thunderstorm. Yep. Indeed, a thunderstorm. But that's how the cookie crumbles. Wow. Too bad out there. There's a barely a truck that shot up the truck. I guess when Patrick down there is caught in the rain, you know, his ass got wet. Ha ha ha. Rain, rain, go away. Well, there's a bolt lightning. I don't know if you saw it or not, but they're out there. We just hope we're not the ones getting caught by lightning. Take a rain check. We'll see how many views this brings up and all that. So I know I may have tried to close it earlier, but I just need a few more minutes of rain. Lightning and thunder. Yep. Whoa. That sounded close too. Indeed, a thunderstorm. Oh, I'm getting cooked. Yeah, there's enough lightning out that you can't tell from night to day. But some much needed rainfall. Yep. Only in Missouri, only in Kendricktown, and only on YouTube. So on that, this is your humble narrator. Being courageous enough to shoot the weather. So, we'll talk to you later, YouTube. Have a good one.